Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with Wrenches and Rides, and we have the new WARN AXON winch in front of us. We've had the great pleasure of installing one of these on Jeff's Can-Am X3 behind us, and if you have installed a winch before, you'll be very pleased when you install a WARN AXON.
Less than half the time with this new AXON winch for installation.
If you've ever installed a WARN Xeon winch on your Jeep or your truck, you know that basically all you have is two connections, positive and negative on your battery, and a wireless controller. This is almost that simple.
You got one more plug.
That's it.
Pretty simple.
Basically what we did on the Can-Am behind us is hook up the positive and negative wires, ran them guys through into the battery compartment, connected them up to our remote battery access. Then we just took the plug that we had, which basically includes your switch, which is waterproof now, ran that into the cab, and all you had to do was tap in to a switched power lead.
Yeah, simple, which was actually in the same place as our power leads on the Can-Ams. We just ran a wire up, tied it in, we're done.
That is the most fun winch install I've ever done.
Yes. I mean, apart from videoing it, we could have had it done in 15 minutes.
Easy. And
probably less.
That's what makes this winch stand out. Now, what changed? And that's the big question. So the old winches used to have a contactor that you had to install, and that had like 8 wires going to it. And you'd have different leads going here and there, and it wasn't hard to do. It was just one more thing to find and mount.
And that's what was so time consuming about the install.
This was cake. So inside this winch, all your WARN AXON winches are going to be Ip68 rated. So obviously they're going to take the mud, they're going to take the sand, they're going to take the water. But even better, all the hardware that comes with the AXON is stainless steel. So you're not going to mount this winch up and then have rusted bolts.
Right. And look at it.
Powder coating's awesome.
It's beautiful compared to the old ones. Well, not that the old ones weren't beautiful, but just the case, the new design, everything is just...
This reminds me a lot of the WARN Xeon.
Yeah.
I think that's what they put it after. Just said, hey, everybody in here is going to want some sort of wired connection or switch, and they're side by side. So there is one thing that happened with these is they did get a little bit larger.
So if you are mounting like we did here, make sure you have adequate room.
Yeah, and I guess that's one thing that if you have a winch or you have a winch bumper and they say, hey, it'll fit a WARN 4500, it might not fit the WARN AXON 45S.
Exactly.
So that's what happened to us.
We had to make little modifications to get it in, but...
Which was no big deal.
Right.
But if you're not a welder, you're not a fabricator, you're not willing to cut your bumper up a little bit and make it work, it might be a big deal.
So make sure you match the winch to the bumper.
Yeah, spec it up a little bit. So you can get this particular AXON winch in a 35S, which is 3,500 pounds, a 45S, 4,500 pounds, a 4,500 RC. You going, wait a minute, what's that? This is a 4,500 RC, Jeff has a 4,500S. RC has 27 foot of 1/4 inch Spydura. Jeff's 50 foot. So the difference is the spool.
Everything else is the same, just the bail is narrower.
And then they also make a huge 5,500S. So if you have that monster mutter, that would be awesome.
And I guess I'm not going to say that. If the case is any bigger,
I think it is. I would have to assume it is. We don't have that. We should, for that big Turbo S4 over there. Probably could use something that large, but we have the Turbo S4 WARN mounting bumper here. The 45 RC is as large as you can go. So we're just going to carry a little bit extra around with us in another rope or in some straps.
Yeah.
Simple as that. So inside here, awesome. If you want something to install yourself, make it easy, clean. This is awesome. A good way to go. 2 things, guys. If you're ordering a WARN winch, I'm going to highly suggest, and we're going to put links in the description, that you order this rubber piece. We'll put a link to Amazon. 15 bucks. It sits in front, clamps over your rope, stops everything from hitting your fair lead. So it stops you from jamming up this with a ton of...
Stop scraping it all up and everything. It's just a bumper, cable stop.
Simple, should have been included with your winch, wasn't.
Well worth it though.
Yes, needed. WARN also has what they call their Epic winch hook, which is a forged steel winch hook here. They make these in different sizes. We're going to install this on the Turbo S also. So we'll show you more of that when we go through our Turbo S installation. But the basics here, we got it on the Can-Am. We're going to get this guy back together and bury it and show you how well it works. That won't be too hard. The winter is, I'm waiting for the big snow, man.
We already had it back in November. Our snow's done.
It's the middle of January. We got nothing but cold weather.
Yeah.
Not a thing.
10 degrees this morning.
Nice. Was it?
Yep, 10 degrees.
So thank you guys for sticking with us. We appreciate it. Check out these new WARN winches. They are awesome. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and give us a like on this video. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.